Did you find it yet? He's been looking for his rat for a half an hour. He had it in his mouth and he laid it down and I can't find it. You're silly, Chewy. Did you find your rat yet? Say, no, I'm looking. Oh my God, they're hilarious. Did you find it? It's right there. You got it. That's it. Pick it up. Here, you found it. Now pick it up and eat it, silly. This happens quite often with big snakes. Pick it up. Pick up your rat. They're so amusing. Go find your rat. Go find your rat. Oh my gosh. I can see it now. An hour later, he finally finds it and picks it up and eats it. He won't pick it up right now because only the head of it's exposed under his body. So it's got him confused, I think. All he can see is the head of it. He can smell it, but... Did you find it? Oh dear. What a goofball. Get your rat. Did you find it? So I know it's in here. I can smell it. So I know it's in here. I can smell the darn thing. Did you find it? You give it all this time to cool off. No wonder it's hard for you to find it. It's not warm anymore. It's not a white rat. It's a brown rat. Maybe that's why he's confused. It's not white. Did you find it? He's right on it. I don't know why he won't pick it up. Probably because part of him's laying across it. And no, I'm not putting my hands in there for anything to try and get it out for you. You do it yourself. There are boundaries when it comes to big snakes. One of the boundaries is you don't stick your hand in there if there's a feeder in there with him. That's not good for your health. Because when they're in feeding mode, warm is warm. They don't care where the heat's coming from. It's on. So no, you don't put your hands in there if you've got a feeder in there. You found it. Did you find it? Finally? Did you get your rat out yet? So it's right here. Well, why would you pick it up? You take forever. You're so particular. Did you find it? Who says snakes are boring? They're by no means boring animals, let me tell you. There's nothing boring about them. He still didn't find it yet. You're goofy. It's going to be an hour before you get it and start eating it. It's going to be really cold by then. You screwball, you. It's in there. I put an overhead light in for him. It's probably got him confused. Go find your rat. So I know it's in here, dang it. You'll find it. He always does. It just takes a while. Well, if you get your fat butt off your dinner, you could get it and eat it. There you go. Try that way. Get your fat rear end off your food. Oh, Chewy. He's eating his third rat now. That's it. He always eats a big meal right before cold weather breaks in October. So this is his big winter meal. This is a big male coastal carpet python, and he's as gentle and sweet as can be. He never has a bad day. He's never defensive. Nothing like a lot of people assume they are, because his babies are pretty nippy and twitchy, but and no, those black dots are his colors. It's not mites. The only snake I had that had mites was Grumpy, oddly enough. But we got rid of those, so we're good to go. No other enclosures or other snakes had any on them. So it was just a fluke accident. He was the only one that had them. Oh, don't bring your rat over here and bring it out the door. That won't work well. What are you doing? I know what you're doing. It's a big boy with a big mouth and a lot of teeth. And he's pure muscle. This is Chewy, my male coastal carpet python. And as you can see, his scales aren't separated. There are no gaps on him. He is pure muscle. And that's because he goes outdoors a lot and gets a lot of exercise and activities. He's turned his back on me because the light from the flash is bothering him. You're going to fall out the door. You can't get any further over. You're going to fall out the door and land on my lap. Can't do that. Nope.